Hi, this is Vagabond, and today I'm back with another video. So I think already you guys known that recently I purchased a bike for myself. This is my bike and it requires some safety accessories.
And that's why I purchased a helmet for myself. And now it's time to do a quick unboxing and review video. So at first the helmet name is SBH57 Fighter F8, and in short you can call it Fighter F8 as well.
At first, it came with a visor, black visor.
And now it's the time to know why I'm recommending you this helmet to purchase under 3000. At first I want to clear one thing with you, which is it's not even a sponsor video. And the second thing is I'm not recommending you this helmet just for the cool looks. So the first point is it comes with two types of visor. One is a smoke visor and one is a clear visor. The second thing is it comes with a sun guard dark visor for day use only.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं एक पहले से बता देना चाह रहा हूँ, इसका जो सन गार्ड है इसका क्वालिटी मेरे को इतना भी खास नहीं लगा. इससे अच्छा इसका जो और दो वाइजर है, ब्लैक वाइजर एंड वाइट वाइजर, ये फार बेटर है. बट अंडर 3000 इट्स ओके ना. रिमूव द वाइजर, इट्स एक्चुअली सो मच इजी. यू जस्ट हैव टू होल्ड दिस थिंग एंड जस्ट पुल द वन, नो, टक, एंड अनदर पार्ट, टक, रिमूव.
एंड इसका वाइजर लॉकिंग सिस्टम भी बहुत बढ़िया है. जैसे इसका अनलॉकिंग सिस्टम देखा, काफी स्मूथ एंड ईजियर है. यू कैन एक्चुअली इजीली चेंज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर मूड.
And the most important thing, that is 3 air vent, 1, 2 and 3.
And the most important thing is safety. So the helmet comes with ISI and the DOT certification as well. So it means it's not only cool, under 3000 it's a safer option as well. So always goes with the safety, but never goes with the looks, cause after all it's your life and looks never gonna save your lives. And by the way, it also has a removable padding. It means it became so much easier to wash it. Like whenever you want to wash it, just remove all those pad, wash it, dry it and just rebuild it. So आज के लिए बस इतना है. मिलते हैं किसी अनबॉक्सिंग के दूसरे एपिसोड में. Till then, subscribe for more such content.